Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday, I made a video about a Docker called Transform, or in earlier versions called Transformation underneath Windows Docker's Transform. That when you put in a block, or you're going to move it with the positioning arrow, it automatically knows how big this block is. Let's make it just bigger. So we've got a weird amount, 3.39 inches. Well, it puts it in there already. You don't have to put it in there. And let's say we want 5 blocks and now they're all touching. So that's what we did the other day. But let's say you want them 1 inch apart. If you will take away the number sign and hit the plus sign plus 1 for 1 inch. And now they are 1 inch apart. We'll take the parallel dimension tool and just double check that. And you have blocks 1 inch apart. The same thing going down, but you got to remember when you're going down, it's going downhill. So we need to, now it's going to move it 3.31 because we've added that inch. Or we didn't, no, I'll take it back. So what I need to do, if I want to have them 1 inch apart, I need to take away the number sign and hit the negative sign plus 1. And now it's blocked them 1 inch apart going down. So if you go downhill, you need to put a negative. It's just like anything else. Here you have a negative. If we put it right on the corner, you have a negative number because it's measuring the center. So the center is at 1 point. Let's actually measure the right side. There's that 3.39. So it's the same thing as it's doing there. I always keep this one on the center just because I like it there. But if you want to move, things around with your transformation Docker, and this time, if we want to go up, you would want to take away the number sign and hit the plus sign and go 1 inch, and it'll raise them 1 inch above. That'd be pretty handy if you were doing something and making something just like this. If you had to make those squares, you could do it really easy in the transformation Docker. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.